This is the film for those SHIB owners who are looking for a dose of optimism and enthusiasm. The price of SHIB is expected to skyrocket, and it's possible that Apple and other major corporations have been secretly plotting this outcome. If you watch this video to the conclusion, I'll reveal those movements you've been keeping hidden. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. Bybit has several noteworthy updates to announce in today's video. Bybit, a market leader in the cryptocurrency space, has released a revolutionary new AI tool called TrandGPT. This groundbreaking service will change the way you trade cryptocurrencies forever. Bybit, located in Dubai, created TrandGPT, a free trading assistant driven by artificial intelligence that offers unique insights gleaned from the platform's enormous database of market information. It's useful for more than simply making deals. It's like having your own private tutor in cryptography. TrandGPT provides real-time market analyses and solutions to your pressing inquiries in different languages by using ChatGPT's wide language model and Bybit's tools GPT. Imagine having modern market strategies and product insights developed just for your company. It's impossible to dispute Bybit's dedication to progress. Combining machine learning and AI capabilities, GPT's toolset for in-depth technical analysis and predictive modeling will be fully operational by June of 2023. Don't pass up the chance to significantly improve your Bitcoin trading skills. Get a taste of the future of trading right now by visiting Bybit and using TrandGPT. Remember that the crypto industry is changing quicker than ever before, and stay ahead of the curve by using AI. The description contains all the necessary links. We have some exciting Shiba Inu news to share with you before we get to that major upgrade. It seems like Shiba Inus have been going to town on Shib, amassing massive numbers of the token in a short length of time. Not only that, but the biggest SHIB whales have been purchasing far more SHIB tokens than they have been selling. Is it possible, therefore, that they know something the rest of us don't about where the SHIB population is headed? Here is what Watcher Guru wrote to help you comprehend the magnitude of the purchases made by these whales. According to research from Into the Block, big holder net flow has increased by 275% over the previous week. As of this writing, the indicator showed a value of 145.7 billion SHIB tokens, putting it firmly in the black. As a result, we may take comfort in the fact that buyer prejudice is still in its infant stages in the SHIB market. The fact that these whales are willing to invest so much money into acquiring as many SHIB tokens as possible suggests that they have faith in the token and maybe the enterprise as a whole. Perhaps they have inside information about an impending SHIB price surge. So they decided to buy into the token, which isn't too surprising given the massive development we've just learned. Franklin Templeton has applied for a US Bitcoin ETF, which is massive news. Now, if you don't keep up with the stock market, you may not be familiar with Franklin Templeton. With a portfolio worth over $1.5 trillion, it is nonetheless one of the largest asset management firms in the world. In addition, a Bitcoin ETF application was recently submitted. Franklin Templeton is not the first asset manager to file for a US Bitcoin ETF, as you may know if you've seen videos on our channel. A US Bitcoin ETF application was submitted by BlackRock, the largest asset manager at one of the largest firms in the world. Fidelity, another asset management, also submitted an application for a Bitcoin ETF in the United States at the same time. It's intriguing that so many major corporations have decided to join the crypto ETF at the same time. What makes this development even more intriguing is that it comes at a time when the crypto market isn't doing especially well. To put so much effort into entering the cryptocurrency market in this fashion, these large corporations must be convinced that cryptocurrencies are here to stay and that they can make a profit from them. Nasdaq, which manages over $1.5 trillion in assets, shared this view when it reported that Franklin Templeton was hoping to cash in on the rising demand for Bitcoin investments. If authorized, their proposed ETF would make it easier for investors to have exposure to the top cryptocurrency in the world in a regulated setting. The filing details the intentions of the Franklin Templeton Digital Asset Trust, an investment vehicle that will follow Bitcoin's value. Franklin Templeton and the other corporations that have filed for the ETF are not, of course, doing so with the intention of stimulating the cryptocurrency market. They benefit from the improved liquidity, and their investors benefit from the simplicity of trading cryptocurrency. They realize that catering to the cryptocurrency industry is the best way to increase demand for their services, so that's what they're doing. Companies that have also applied to be part of this ETF seem to be headed in a similar direction. If the applications are accepted, a Bitcoin price increase seems certain. Even if just one business had their application accepted, Bitcoin would still gain. Why? These businesses certainly have high valuations. There is no possibility that the cryptocurrency market would not benefit from the injection of some of that capital. What would happen if all 3 petitions were granted is beyond our wildest imaginings. If you're a regular viewer, you know why we're talking about corporations' adoption of Bitcoin on a channel dedicated to Shiba Inus. If Bitcoin were to get the type of inflows that these corporations may bring, the resulting price increase would very certainly have a trickle-down effect on other cryptocurrencies on the market, including Shiba Inu. However, President has shown evidence of a unique relationship between Bitcoin and Shiba Inus. When the price of Bitcoin increases, the value of SHIB usually climbs as well. Contrary to popular belief, it is conceivable for Bitcoin to fall in value while SHIB rises. In most cases, however, SHIB will either instantly follow Bitcoin's lead or will do so within a short period of time. If these Bitcoin ETF proposals were approved, it would be fantastic for Bitcoin and SHIB investors alike. Please leave a comment and spread the word if you found this video helpful. It helps me rank higher in YouTube's rankings so I can keep producing higher quality films. However, I believe it is crucial to note at this time that no applications for Bitcoin ETFs have been approved in the United States as of yet. There have been applicants to the ETF before to these 3 asset managers. Many other businesses have applied before, but none of them have been successful. We can only hope that the SEC sees the value in these firms and approves their petitions. Hopefully, this works well. Following the lead of these major corporations, analysts are anticipating that more major corporations may opt to join the fund in the near future. A recent post on X by Whale Charts predicted that by 2024, major 8 companies including Apple, Amazon, and Google will all have Bitcoin holdings. However, Alexei, another crypto enthusiast, feels that big corporations would rather purchase an ETF or hold crypto via a third-party custodian than add it to their balance sheet. My thoughts exactly. In my opinion, each of those things may happen. The main point of this video is that some large corporations have decided to enter the cryptocurrency industry by acquiring an exchange-traded fund, ETF. It's not completely out of the question that the tech titans may follow suit. However, there are examples of large corporations diversifying their holdings to include cryptocurrency. And Tesla, Elon Musk's electric car startup, is a prime illustration of this. Whatever the case may be, it seems that many large corporations, notably those in the technology and finance sectors, are entering the cryptocurrency market. This might entail a significant influx of much-needed capital into the cryptocurrency industry. However, I should emphasize that at this time, nothing is certain. These giants have all kept quiet about whether or not they plan to invest in cryptocurrencies or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Only BlackRock, Fidelity, and now Franklin Templeton are known to have applied for a crypto ETF. I felt compelled to bring this up so that we may all keep our expectations in check. Nonetheless, we still have cause for rejoicing. We would have reason to rejoice if the SEC approved the ETF applications it has received. Meanwhile, we may hold out hope that things will eventually sort themselves out and the cryptocurrency industry will get fresh funding. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.